By hearing about the features and capabilities of lists, you might wonder what exactly the differences between lists and libraries are. You'll learn about this in this slide. The first thing to understand is that a document library is actually a special type of a list. This means that all libraries are lists, but all lists are not libraries. This is a very important distinction since there are many features that are shared among the two, but there are many distinct ones that apply only to one or the other. While libraries are meant for storing of documents, each entry within a library stores one and only one file. A list is actually meant to store data directly within the rows and columns of the list. However, lists do allow storing of attachments, similar to the ones in an email. You can store more than one file-based attachment to each item within a list. However, by default, the contents within these attachments are not indexed and therefore not filterable, say by file type, nor searchable. This is unlike the files in a library that are both filterable as well as searchable. Lists also store only major versions of changes in the item. Libraries do have the ability to store both major as well as minor version of changes in a document. Checkout and check-in of items in a list is not possible. The item being edited by one user is locked for other users at the same time by default. In libraries, however, users need to check out and check in the document to do the same. In SharePoint 2013, documents are by default said to be co-authored, meaning that multiple users can open the same document for editing at the same time. Another important distinction is that lists can be used as a source for a lookup. However, document libraries cannot. This means that the data within a list can be used in another list or library and even linked back to the original item. But this is not possible to do using a library.